Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the weekly time frame chart of gold. Now gold is clearly in downtrend, but let us watch its uh, complete trends and what is happening now. Before this, first of all, this was the low of the market, and after that this was the high of the market. Now after this support, the gold went up to this level but did not break it. So after from here the gold came downward. This is the weekly time frame and came down to this level, up to this level. This was the low, this was the high, and now came to this low. After this low, the gold has gone up to this high and coming down from here. What is worth noticing that now it is it is quite clear that it is coming down, but what do we expect now? That where will it go and retest? Now let us move to the daily time frame for this. Now gold has the first level that is facing a support is somewhere, let me put it here. It is, I had seen earlier that it was 1802. Let us find it again together. Now 1804 or 1802, though this is not any support, but we can say that if it could go to retest, it is the possibility. And if it goes back to the retest, maximum possible level that we expect is, which one is? While coming down, the gold has only this support. Let me put it here. This was the support here, 1825. And another support, was there any support somewhere? We can say that from here, this was 1867, was also a bit support, and another level which was here at 1896. Now the first level that was broken and that made this downward was 1896. After breaking, this level was also broken. Two levels broken at the same time. Then went back to retest here. Even it did not go to the 1896. It is so downward trend. Now from coming here, first support was 1896, then second was at 1867, and third is broken at 1825, and now it is 1804, but that is not at a good, maybe that a strong level, but it could send it back to the retest. But in this scenario, there is no possibility of buys, no chance at all. The way we retail traders thinks that something is going down, now it will retrace somewhere. But we need some confirmation from upward push. Seeing, we need to see, watch the buying power, interest for buys. We don't see any buyers interest. It can even fall downward directly from here to here. We can't say anything because this is a extremely bearish gold right now. But what do we expect now? let me show you here. Now the next important level is 18. Sorry, let me put the horizontal line and try to understand it with. Now this was the, now actually this is the strong support right now, 1727, and before this up to these 2 days VIX, this is the level 1778. Now what are the key levels? 18, which one is 1804, 1786, 1727, and under this we have, which one is the level then? Then we have the level somewhere, let me put here, this up to this week, 1667, and then all the way back to the, this is the support, the last support. If which will be broken, then it could go downward into, it even can go to the in the 1500. Now let me put again once again the horizontal line again. Now these are the key levels, 1616 or 1620. This is the last support. Now what are the important levels? 1804, 17, 17, 78, 1727, 1667, 1616. And now let us move to the 4-hour time frame for further understanding of this. Now let us zoom out. Now gold is expected to touch the 1804. What do we expect then? If it goes up to and retrace, how will it retrace? Maximum at what level it can retrace, if there is any retracement possibility. Now let me show you this level, that level, 1867. Can it go back to the 1867 maximum? It won't go beyond that. It can go, but in the condition when it makes a bullish trend that is still not developed. This is, even in this trend, it can directly come to these levels. We can't expect anything. We don't need to go for any buys. There is the only possibility of sales now, but where to enter in these sales? Now I think in the 4 time frame, let it touches to this level, okay, then retraces back to where it could go somewhere. 1867 is too away. I don't think it will go that back to that level. Even it can go, but if there is any sell, then the stop loss be at above this level. Now let us decide what to do, where to enter, and now I think the, let me remove all this now. Now 1804 and cells is 18. This is the, I think, let me put the horizontal line somewhere here, somewhere from here. This is the stop loss actually. And entry level 1852, or even if we can say, if it goes to this level 1844, 1852, on these levels we can go for sell, and the stop loss above 1865 or even 1871. It is enough. We don't need to put any stop loss beyond that. And the better entry, if we get, if you have, okay, if it goes after 18, if it breaks 1804 and then goes back to this level, it is a good sell. Anyway, there is sell only now in this conditions. Now let us move to the daily time frame. Now if it go, it will it go back to the 1844 even? I really doubt it now. When I am watching the daily time frame market, if it comes to 1804, if it comes to it, I think you won't bore now. You enjoy from this the way I am enjoying. Now let me back go to this week. Oh yes, this level. Watch this level here. 1803 or 214. This is the region. From here, watch this. From here, this was the resistance here. This was the support here. This was the resistance here. Now it is expected that it could work as a support, but not as strong support to send it directly back, but it can retrace somewhere to 1844 or 1871. But what is the, even I think it can just go up to up to the level that I want to show you right now, because even it can go up to the, for this 18, which level is this? I have put so many horizontal lines that I myself I am unable to. 1804, and this is 1818. 1818. From 1804 to 1818, I don't think so. If it goes back, then it will go deeper. Now okay, let me put the uh, short position here. Now where to short at? Short position. This is the short position, and stop loss above this wick, and take profit options. We have many types of profit options. If it is coming down from here, then we will have the first target at this level, 1819, 1818, then 1804, and after that we have many take profit options. This is the take profit option at 1786, here 1776, here 1753, here 1727. This is the last support, the strong support that we have right now. But keep one thing in mind: when there is trend, where there is trend, levels won't work that way, the way we think. We can say that it is possibility of retracement until it makes us the bullish signal. Whenever there is the setup of bullish signal, I will make a video on that also. I will analyze it also. But right now, we the way we think logically, the markets won't work that way. These financial markets, until we see the buyers jumping in. Watch here, from here, when it was going up, the sellers did not jump in. Even at this level, this was just came here for the retest. This was not the rush of the, I don't think that this was the rush of the sellers. Seller rushed in from this level when the news of the USD came that their job report. Even though these big sellers and buyers know these news already, they do make agreements, then implement at the time of the news. That I'm really, I think so, these things. So this is the condition that I wanted to share with you. Like my this video, subscribe my channel, and let me know in the comments what is your analysis of gold. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.